Cracking sounds in your Logitech G230 gaming headset can break the immersive experience of your favorite sports video game. But worry not, a solution is at hand. Firstly, identify the root cause. Is it a hardware issue or a software glitch? Once you've pinpointed the problem, it's time for some troubleshooting. If it's a hardware problem, a simple patch-up might do the trick. Or if it's a software issue, updating or reinstalling the drivers could be your ticket to clear audio. Remember, to stay in the game, you need to keep the narrative flow smooth and communication effective. So fix that crackle and game on.